Welcome everybody, my name is Brian Bissone and welcome to the POWERtube TV community, the 100% free streaming network made for enthusiasts by enthusiasts. For our launch, we want everybody to enjoy all of our great content. That's right, it's the free week. No ads, no subscriptions, just great content all week long, absolutely free. Hey, while you're there, make sure you click on Join the Community button. That way you'll get all of the updates on specials, releases, and news. You'll never miss a thing. And for joining the community, you're automatically entered in to win a custom guitar art made by Latt Rollison. It's absolutely gorgeous, and it's made out of car parts and motorcycle parts. All you have to do is join the community. So for powerful programming, head over to the 100% free POWERtube TV Streaming network. It's awesome new content, classics, and more. Go to watchpowertubetv.com or watchpttv.com. You can't have speed without power.